In this video, I will share with you guys step by step how we made $6,500 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing just in one single month using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I'm gonna share with you guys step by step my methods, my strategies, how do I find trending product that I'm promoting to earn commission, because you cannot promote any product, you need to choose specific product that are trending so you can start making commissions, okay? And so much more. So if you guys are interested, make sure to watch this video until the end, and if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? And I made this commission just in one single month, in the last month, from the first day of July until the day 31 of July, okay? Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate like this. Click on the first link. Just click on the first link. Okay, let me see, not this link. We need to scroll down. Click over here on Amazon Associate, this one, okay? And you will be directly in this sign up process page. So all you have to do, you just need to click on sign up and click over here on create your Amazon account. And here you go. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. And that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. This will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard, okay? So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and trending product that you will promote on TikTok. We will use TikTok, guys, to get free traffic. So to start making commissions, you need to choose good and trending products. So how we can choose trending products? So pay attention. Just go to Google again and search for TikTok trends, okay? Like this. Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here, okay? So we need to see which products are trending on TikTok so we can start promoting those products to earn commissions, okay? So this will be your home page after you click on TikTok trends. Go over here to inspiration and click on top product like this. So just click on top product, scroll down. You guys can choose which country you want to target. If you guys want to target all countries, you can choose this one. You want Australia, Canada, and so on. But for me, I will suggest guys to focus on those 4 countries. Focus on United States, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom, okay? Those are the best countries that you should focus on, okay? And click here and choose last 7 days. And here you go. You will find a lot of products that are trending in the last 7 days in United States. Like this one. This product is for women, as you can see, guys. We have this one, perfume, beauty, and personal care. Let's choose, for example, this one. I will click here on details so I can see more details about this product and more data. Let's scroll down and here you go. You guys can see here the CTR of this product, the CPA, the cost, impressions, likes, shares, comments, and so on, okay? So this product is trending in United States in the last 7 days, okay? If we scroll down, you guys can find here related videos. You should see related videos about this product. Videos that people are using to promote this product on TikTok. So what you will do, I will just copy this keyword about this product like this, and they will go back to my Amazon website. Just go back to Amazon, okay? Go to Google, search for Amazon and click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on the search and search for this product perfume. Search for this one is trending on TikTok. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. So let me show you. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, guys, you need to choose good sellers. It's very important. Like this one, best seller. This one is good seller. Over 41k reviews. That's you can see, guys, how many people paid for this service. 30k both in the past month. So this one is good, like this one. So I will choose this one. I will click on this product. Just choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, so if your customers click on your affiliate link on TikTok, they will check this Amazon product page and they will see the reviews of people who already paid for this product. Okay, that's why you need to choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, so this can build like trust between you and your customers, so people can trust this product and buy this product from you. So what you will do next, you guys have here the pictures of the product. If you guys scroll down, you guys can see here we have videos. Click on videos. So just click on videos. And here you go. You will be directly in this page over here, guys, as you can see. Okay, you have here the videos. So what you will do is, I'm gonna stop this video here. So you guys need to choose videos that have reviews. Okay, choose videos that people who paid for the service, explaining this product, paying for this product, sorry. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good reviews, good videos that you will use to promote this product on TikTok. Okay, so you guys can find a lot of videos here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one here. Just click on the video that you want to use.
I have found my scent that
and here you go. Like this video, guys, is a really good video. Why? Because this person is already paid for this product and he is explaining the benefits of this product and his experience with this product. So this video can convert and get sales for you. This is a good video because it's showing people who already paid for this product. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, you will click here on the full screen. Click here to get full screen and record this video.
I'm obsessed with. I use this every single day.
Just turn your screen recording on and start recording this video. Okay, and that's it. You just need to record this video, and after you guys finish, go back to Google and search for Canva like this. Okay, search for Canva. This will be your home page. Click over here on create design. Scroll down, click on TikTok video, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you download from that you record from Amazon, like this one. Let me see. So just choose the video from your laptop. Click on open. I already have the video here, and if you click over here on videos, you should find your video here. Okay, this is my video. You will click on my video like this. Your video will be over here. Okay, you see that? So what you will do next, click on this 3 points and click on set video as background like this. Okay, and here you go. Let me just edit this video. Let's check.
I have found my scent.
That's really good. So I will edit this one, make it like this.
I have found my scent that I literally am obsessed with.
So that's really good. So what you will do next, guys, click over here on text and scroll down. Choose which text style you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style and your text style will be in the front of your video. And I'm going to delete the second one. I'm going to click on this one here, delete, and we will just use the first one. I will decrease the font size of this text like this and put this text here. Double click and write the sentence, check link in my bio to get yours. Check link in my bio to get yours, like this. Okay, after you finish, click on elements and click over here, go to shapes and choose this one like this. So just click on the shape, click on color over here, choose black color and put this shape behind your text like this. And here you go. Okay, you see that? So people who will watch this video on TikTok who are interested to buy this product, they will see this. Check link in my bio to get yours. They will check your bio. You will put your affiliate link in your bio on TikTok, and that's it. So your video will be like this.
I use this every single day. I can't tell you how many bottles I've gone through.
You guys can see. So what you will do next, click on share and click over here on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Go to your TikTok account, open your TikTok account, click over here on upload this video, go affiliate account like I said, and you should see this bar over here, this one, Amazon Associate Site Stripe. So to get an affiliate link for this product that you want to promote on TikTok, just click here on text, and here you go. This is your affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link from here and go back to your TikTok account and put your affiliate link in your bio, and that's it. So that's how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. The right methods, right strategies. Use TikTok trends, start promoting products that are trending, target countries like I said, United States, United Kingdom, Australia and Canada. Those countries are the best countries that you can target to get customers, good customers that will buy this product from you, so you guys can earn commissions. Okay, and that's it. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments and like this video if you want to see more videos about affiliate marketing like this, more methods and more strategies. Comment affiliate marketing and I will get back to you guys. See you in my next videos.